What's up, YouTube universe? This is Jennifer back again with a food review. Today I'm doing the Arby's buttermilk chicken cordon bleu sandwich. It comes with slicely picked smoked ham, Swiss cheese, mayonnaise, and of course the buttermilk chicken. It costs $4.49 at my local Arby's. So let's see what it looks like, y'all. Here's a close-up of the chicken cordon bleu buttermilk chicken sandwich. There's the mayonnaise, the cordon bleu, the Swiss cheese is underneath there, very meaty. And here's the buttermilk chicken patty, more mayonnaise, star top bun. Let's get this review started on the buttermilk chicken cordon bleu sandwich from Arby's. This is a big sandwich. Look at all that meat. Wow. The patty hangs off the bun, which is a good thing. This thing is loaded down. And the ham. The Swiss cheese is real good. You can't even hardly tell that the Swiss cheese is there. It's so meaty. Plenty of mayonnaise, so it's definitely not dry. Give it another bite. It's a great sandwich. Give it another bite before I rate it. On that rating scale, 1 through 5, I give it a 5. This is the best chicken sandwich that I've had. I was going to get the chicken bacon Swiss sandwich, but I've already had that before, but not in the buttermilk form. It is really good, but this is by far my favorite chicken sandwich of all restaurants. It is so good, y'all. The Swiss cheese, the ham, the chicken, the buttermilk chicken go so well together. On the bun is a delicious sandwich. Y'all be sure to go check it out at y'all's local Arby's. Hopefully y'all have one in y'all's area. It's really good and I hope it's just as meaty as this one was. Please like my video, share and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Leave me comments. I love reading comments. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The links will be in the description below. Later!